Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan, and today I am going to show you guys how to create this hijab look. You can carry it in any party or outing. It gives a very good volume on the head and it looks very elegant and chic. You can wear it with all kinds of dresses and gowns and it will look beautiful. So let's start with the video. Before starting the video, let me mention it to you guys that you can purchase this scarf, this underscarf or any kind of hijab related accessories or modest dresses from my own website ramshasultan.com. I would be providing all the links in the description box down below. Now let's begin. And this is it guys, this is how easily you can create this hijab look. It is super easy to create and it will look amazing. If you recreate this look, comment down below and let me know, and you can also tag me in your pictures. I would be more than happy to see you guys. A lot of other colors are also available in this beautiful party wear scarf from my brand. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos. And yes, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram to know me a little more. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.